Hey everybody, we are here in not so sunny Edinburgh. It is the British Superbike weekend at the Knockhill Racing Circuit. I'm Rory Skinner and I'm looking forward to being out there racing. Hope to see you there.
I've always done my bikes since I was able to walk about. I've always done my bikes since I was able to walk. I've been chucked on a motorbike.
Yes, I'm not going out as a motec.
Where's the Knockhill umbrellas?
No, I should have brought one.
Right, action, go.
Hi, I am Emperor Palpatine. I do look like it. I am Rita from the pit lane and I am here at the 30th anniversary of the British Superbikes. It's an amazing event. There's bagpipes, there's rain. It is a true Scottish experience.
Hey guys, Rollo here in Edinburgh. We've got my bike and the other Superbikes here getting ready for our home round up at Knockhill this weekend. Can't wait to get out. Obviously it's raining just now, but hopefully this blows over and the sun will come out and we'll have a brilliant weekend up there. Home round, hopefully put it back on the podium. Donington was my mistake and hopefully we can make it right this weekend.
Nice one, cheers man. Looking forward to this.
I had a fun fact before I come here, but it was actually wrong. I thought about it, and I thought all Walker's crisps go out of date on a Wednesday, but they don't. But all McCoy's crisps go out of date on a Saturday, and it turns out all Walker's crisps go out of date on a Saturday as well.
Do that with Formula 1 because Formula 1 opens so stick to Formula 1 for now because I still no matter where or how many